Hi, my name is Krista Mitchell, and this is my cultural competence reflection video. Question number 1: what does it mean to be cultural competent educator? For me, it means to be an advocate for social justice, respecting the culture and individuality of each student that walks into your classroom. It also means that you have acknowledged your bias and that you have made a choice to put those biases to the side as you learn to accept and respect diversity. Question 2: where do you see yourself on the cultural competency chart and why? I would put myself in between number 4, which is the cultural pre competence, and number 5, which is the cultural competency. I believe that I would fall somewhere in between 4 and 5 because I do believe that the majority of the time I plan and my classroom demonstrates social justice. But with that, I also know that I'm not perfect and that I have not mastered cultural competency. So, in that aspect, I'm still in the trying stage. My goal is to reach stage 6 of the chart. Question number 3: what will it take for you to get to the next step? I think that in order for me to get to the next level on the cultural competency chart, I will need to obtain more experience working with different people, both inside and outside of the classroom. I want my classroom to be a safe place for all students. So I know that taking time to learn my students is going to be a key part in me being able to transition from one level to the next. Question number 4: what are some of the specific research or readings, tools, or resources or training that I may do to further my cultural competency as an educator? As a teacher, I think that one way for me to further my research and learning of different cultures would just be to explore different things, working with different people, learning things about them as far as their culture and their religion, things that they like, things that they don't, what they consider respectful or disrespectful, things that bring them together, things in their culture that would possibly divide them, and trying to implement all the positive parts of that into my classroom. I would also look at things like a universal calendar because things like that would show different holidays for different religions, different cultures, different people, and always find a way to celebrate each of them during the school year. So if you have one of those calendars, then you can pick out different days of the week or different days of the year where things are celebrated in their culture. Question 5: what will it look like to have cultural inclusivity in your future classroom? In my future classroom, I would like for it to embody the spirit of unity. I would like for it to be a safe place with a friendly and peaceful atmosphere that's full of the welcoming spirit. I would like a classroom where acceptance is a requirement and respect is always given instead of earned. Question number 6: how would you ensure that you are respecting students as individuals with different personal backgrounds and various skills and abilities, perspectives, talents, interests that do not align with your spiritual beliefs or moral values? For me, the way to include those students would be to celebrate them even though they're different, even though we don't believe in the same things. That doesn't make me right or make them wrong. I have learned to respect differences and diversity. And also, I've realized that acceptance doesn't require me to change. So, just because I am not negative about someone else's beliefs or I don't convert to what they believe doesn't mean that I have not accepted them for who they are and that I don't respect their morals and their values as an individual. Thanks for watching my video.